Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to delete your Shopify application using your iOS device. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First, go ahead and locate Shopify application on your app drawer. Once you find it, press hold the app for a few seconds. You'll then be able to see this pop-up menu. Tap on Remove App and tap the Delete App button twice, and then you'll be able to see the app disappear. That means you've successfully deleted or removed Shopify application from your iOS device. So that is it for today. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.